E-Prime brought to you by...
This is my rumbar. Wherever you are, make it your rumbar.
Hello and welcome to tonight's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. The power of reggae and dance hall. Thousands of patrons poured into the Catherine Hall complex on Friday and Saturday nights for the culmination of the Reggae Sumfest week-long festival, Dance Hall Nights 1 and 2. A superb lineup, top dancehall acts delivering hard-hitting performances. Sumfest organizers keeping their promise to serve up a world-class event. Night 1 saw Bounty Killer, Idonia, Dexter Daps, among others. Night 2's billing had Sean Paul, Beanie Man, Sean Kingston, and Queen Ifrica. We share the highlights.
It was well filled. I think it was just I acting and Popcorn that should be on the show as two good act. And then Poppy come give you a little thing with Tory Lanez, and then you see Massacre come get back a piece with me. So it was just I acting and I miss last year, me and him shell it.
Me have a blast for the last 3 years of my work. It's a different experience and it's a growth, you know what I mean? So it definitely feel good. Feel good when you see the crowd still respond to you that way they too.
This has been probably the best week of ever for us for Reggae Sumfest.
It's a wonderful vibe for me. At the end of the day, I mean, the Almighty has blessed me in such a wonderful way within music, where every year I can see changes in my career. You understand? I can see growth. I can see progress. You know, and closing my show this year with Big Deal, it's synonymous with how I feel. You know, I feel very important, and I feel that us as a nation are very important.
Sing for me, Ashley. This is Beanie.
Reggae Sumfest marked its 25th year and organizers, of course, celebrated a major win. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.